Hey everyone, Kyle Prolux here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to change the UV bulb on our 6-stage air purifiers. So stay tuned. Alright, so there is the UV bulb. We got to gain access to it. So we need to remove the back plate and then take all the filters out. To remove the back plate, at the top underneath this warning sign, there's going to be 2 little tabs. Push those down, remove the back plate. Then you're going to have the HEPA filter, charcoal filter. Then you're going to have the TO2 photocatalytic filter. So once you got those filters removed, set them to the side. Alright, so now that we got the filters removed, we have access to the UV bulb and its deflector shield. To remove the bulb, it's pretty simple. You need to get your fingers on both sides of the white part of the bulb and you just need to rotate it down. And if you want to know if you have it unlocked, you should see those metal pins on both sides. From here, you can just pull the bulb out. To reinstall your new bulb, what you need to do is go ahead and put it into its position. And if you have it fully pressed in, it's not going to want to lock when you try to rotate it. So what you want to do is to start with one side, pull it out slightly, and then rotate it up. And just doing it on one side locked the other side. So again, to remove the bulb, rotate the bulb down. To get the bulb to lock into position, pull either the left or right side out just slightly, and then rotate it up. And whatever side you rotate up, the opposite side is also going to rotate and lock into position. Once you have the bulb replaced, you need to put the filters back in. So start with the metal mesh filter. Make sure you can see the white pull tab so it's easier to remove. Next time you need to remove the filters. Follow by the charcoal filter. And then lastly, the HEPA filter. And then don't forget the back plate. If the back plate is not installed properly, it is not going to allow the unit to turn on. Test your unit to make sure the UV bulb is turning on, which in this case, we did it correctly, so everything turned on. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys found it helpful and you're now able to replace the UV bulb on your 6-stage air purifier. If you guys need replacement bulbs, visit our website at www.proluxcleaners.com or check out the link in the description below. Have any questions? You can also leave a comment in the comment section below, or you can email us at service@proluxcleaners.com. I'm Kyle Prolux, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.